So now let's see how we can work around with the latest posts block inside of wordpress.com. So in order to go ahead and work around with the latest post block, I can go around in between two blocks right here and then click on the add block option right here. So now what you can simply do is type in latest right here. Then you can see that latest post is an option. If I were to go around over here onto latest posts, then what happens is that it'll take a list of the latest posts that you have right here and will list it out right here. So now you can go ahead and, as with any other block, you can go ahead and change it out to full width or align it to the center and so forth, as you can see right here. So this is the list view. You can also get a grid view of this particular post. Over here on the properties section of this particular block right here, you can change around the and let it display the post content right here and get the full post out right here, or just the excerpt right here, just like this. You can change the maximum number of words that is displayed right here as well, and so forth. You can also display the author name and display the post date as well. So over here, you can also display the featured image, if any, right here in thumbnail or medium or even large mode right here, and change around the width and height according to how you want as well, just like this, and change around, let's say for example, different options right here. So apart from that, you can also align it to the center at the end and so forth, and order this out to the newest to the oldest from A to Z, or oldest to the newest right here, just like this as well. You can also add in categories if you want to filter it out by it, or you can also choose a particular author as well and change around the number of items right here in the post and change around the number of columns right here, just like this as well. So this is what you have, and if I were to go around onto the style section, you can go ahead and choose a particular color right here and change around the background color for this as well, just like this. Or let me just go ahead and choose this. You can also go ahead and choose a gradient, as you can see right here, just like this as well, and then choose the color as you want. So you can go ahead and add in, let's say for example, another color, and you get the style as you want. But let me just go around, choose a plain color right here. You can also go ahead and choose a particular color for the link as well, as you can see right here, and change around the typography size as well, just like this. You can change around the padding right here. You can change around the margin around over here, just like this as well. And that is how you can work around with the latest post block inside of wordpress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.